In Europe, a great shutdown is continuing. At its daily briefing, the World Health Organization says it is now the epicenter of the crisis.
More cases are now being reported every day than were reported in China at the highest of its epidemic.
Spain's Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez announced a state of emergency will begin on Saturday after the death toll jumped 50% to over 120.
Our efforts are dedicated to containing the fast spread of the illness. We are trying to avoid people who need hospital care being affected.
In Madrid, tourist sites were eerily quiet on Friday and the city's bars started shutting down. In Brussels, EU leaders are scrambling to coordinate a European response after member states introduced their own draconian measures and unilaterally closed borders.
Each member state needs to live up to its full responsibility, and the European Union as a whole needs to be determined, coordinated and united.
In Italy, the death toll jumped by another 250 in the last 24 hours. A shipment of 30 tons of medical equipment arrived from China after complaints Rome's EU partners have been too slow to respond. Beijing may enjoy this political symbolism. In London, the Queen cancelled engagements and nationwide local elections due in May have been postponed for a year. Global markets bounced back a little, with central banks announcing extraordinary measures. Even the German government promised to spend whatever it takes to protect business. Airlines continue to suffer, with many announcing layoffs. Recession is now an expectation. In Turkey, the Ministry of Health said there are now 5 cases, and a temporary flight ban has been imposed on 9 European countries. In Iran, the deputy health minister who got infected is now recovering and urged his countrymen to do more to halt the spread. The army is being called in to clear the streets of major cities and impose compulsory testing. And even the highest place in the world is not immune from the virus. Mount Everest will now be closed to climbers for the rest of the season. Simon McGregor Wood, TRT World.